Hi everyone, Carol Ibbotson here from Cool Wool Designs, and for this week's Sunday School I just wanted to share with you information about a book that popped through my letterbox this week called 100 Crochet Tiles. It's put together by David and Charles, publishers, and it's the contributions from 15 different designers, and there's just wonderful tiles in here. So let me just give you a flick through some of them. Absolutely beautiful, all sorts of different tiles going on here, and the inspiration is tiles that people have seen over the years in various places. So there's a wonderful selection, and I'm really excited to say that if I go to page 96, I have 7 designs in here which all use my mosaic crochet that I love. So there's one of them. It's one of my squares. We've got a few. There's another one. There's one, my star one, which is one of my favorites. I have this one that goes a bit off at an angle. I've got some straight ones rather than working in the round like that. And there's another straight one, and honestly some of them are just incredible. I'm so excited to be part of this journey. And there's a number of projects in the back as well that you can have a look at and make using the different styles. Let's just try and get to some of those. Oh, there's one of mine. That's a pot holder using one of my designs. But there's all sorts of wonderful, there's a wall panel, a bag. I love this. This is one of Rosina Plain's cushions. We've got blankets. There's another cushion which I absolutely love as well, with squares, and more blankets and all sorts of things there. So lots and lots of projects. Now this is available for pre-order now. It's actually going to be out on sale from the 12th of April 2022, but I've given you a link in the description so that you can pre-order if you'd like to. It's a wonderful book, and I'm just so chuffed to be a part of it. Thanks everyone.